Alright, let's take a look at our next new grammar point for this chapter. So here we have some kind of bag. What's inside? この中に何が入っていますか？この中に何が入っていますか？わかりません。この中に何が入っているかわかりません。パーティーの服はどれがいいですか？これはいいです。これもいいです。これもいいです。決められません。パーティーの服はどれがいいか決められません。So this is a way of putting a question inside of a larger sentence. So we can ask the question, what is inside this bag? We can also say, I don't know what's inside this bag. 私はわかりません. So I have わかりません. 私はわかりません. What I'm gonna do basically is take our question sentence that we have. この中に何が入っていますか? And make it a short form sentence. So it's kind of like our little baby sentence that we're putting inside the big sentence. この中に何が入っている? And to show it's a question, か。わかりません。この中に何が入っているかわかりません。I don't know what is inside of it. 私は決められません。I can't decide. In order to be specific about what I can't decide, I'm going to use this question that I have. パーティーの服はどれがいいですか? But first I want to change it to short form. パーティーの服はどれがいい? And to show it's a question, か。決められません。So I can't decide. I can't decide what? I can't decide what outfit is good for the party. I don't know. I don't know what? I don't know what is inside the bag. So in order to make these questions within larger sentences, we take our question, which has like a who, what, where, when, why, a question word in it, make it into the short form, and put ka. If the short form would have da in it, we're going to get rid of it. This one doesn't use da. And then I'll put ka, and then just plug it into the sentence. So, この中に何が入っているかわかりません。パーティーの服はどれがいいか決められません。So this is what I do for questions that have a question word. Question words are things like who, what, where, when, why, how. I have my sentence with a question word, put it in short form, put ka, and plug it into the whole sentence. But we have another kind of question in Japanese. Let's take a look. 花子さんからバレンタインのチョコをもらえますか？花子さんからバレンタインのチョコをもらえますか？ Will I be able to get Valentine's chocolate from 花子さん？ちょっと心配です。ちょっと心配です。I'm a little worried. What am I a little worried about? チョコをもらえるかどうか、ちょっと心配です。明日は天気がいいですか？明日は天気がいいですか？わかりません。 明日は天気がいいかどうかわかりません。明日は天気がいいかどうかわかりません。So our second type of question within a larger sentence is a yes-no question. This is going to work the same general kind of way that our last set of questions within larger sentences work. So I have a sentence. 私は心配です。I'm worried. What am I worried about? 私はSo the sentence I'm going to put in is チョコもらえますか? I have to put into short form ですね。私はチョコもらえる? And this time, instead of just か, we're going to put かどうか心配です。チョコもらえるかどうか心配です。I'm worried about whether or not I will get chocolate. So this かどうか, we can think of it kind of like in English we say whether or not, right? So I don't know whether or not I will get chocolate. I'm worried about whether or not I will get chocolate. Or we can say 私はわかりません. I don't know. What don't I know? My sentence is 明日は天気がいいですか? Short form 明日は天気がいい. で、here we want to put かどうかわかりません. So I don't know. What don't I know? I don't know whether or not the weather will be good tomorrow. So when we have a yes-no question, instead of, we don't have a question word in the question, right? We just have a sentence with ka at the end. So when I have a yes or no question, I'm just going to turn that sentence into the short form and put ka do ka. And then I can plug it into the whole sentence. So バレンタインのチョコをもらえるかどうか心配です。明日は天気がいいかどうかわかりません. This is how we can put a question inside of a larger sentence.